guys, so today we have a bunch of new animals we have not introduced you to yet. So actually we're just going to be introducing you to these animals. There's like 4 of them. Just a bunch of snails. There's one. And a few are in the dirt like that one. I'm pretty sure that is actually a golden snail. Yeah. And all the snails are in there. There's a spider in here. You see him? Ooh, he's so pretty. Here we have Quinny, the grasshopper. One of his legs, you know those 2 giant back legs that a grasshopper has? Get up, Quinny. Get up. You can do it. Oh yeah, he got up. Anyway, he's a little baby, and you know he hasn't grown his wings yet. You know those 2 giant back legs that most grasshoppers have? Well, he only has 1. He doesn't have 2. One of his legs is not there. Here is our lizard, Scar, because he has a bunch of scars. If you see his back, you might be able to see his back. He has a bunch of scars on it. If you see. Okay, so that was a video introducing a few of our new animals in the animal sanctuary, and also I'll give y'all a hint. The next video, we're probably just going to be like, it's just going to be like some random videos made into something funny. That's what. It might not be the next video, it might be different, but it's going to be one of the videos in the future. We do it a lot of random videos. Oh yeah, remember the swim goggles one? Oh my gosh, we were putting swim goggles on random stuff. And, yeah, so, bye for this video. Yeah,